This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, can you mute yourself because I'm getting a lot of noise like band music something coming backside. So it will be recording also. Okay, so mute yourself. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So today I'm planning to explain BPC. So during this session, we have any questions you can ask me at any point of time, any concerns. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll discuss about BPC. So BPC. What is BPC? Business Planning and Consolidation. What is planning? What is consolidation? Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, Balaji. So I am giving uh, as you need only consolidation, but I am giving until some sessions planning as well, because in future also it will be very helpful to you, because planning and consolidation both are available in one module. And for BPC consultant there is no specification that I will work on only consolidation, I never work on planning, I will work on only planning, I never work on consolidation. Whenever you get opportunity, you need to be ready to learn on anything, to deliver anything. So that is why we that
Okay.
that there is advantage, because you have a two skills. Okay. So in that way,
Yeah.
okay. So there is a planning and consolidation. So what is planning, what is consolidation, how it will help to the organization, okay, that we need to know. Okay. First of all, if you want to run a business, if you want to run your personal life, we need to do planning. If you want to run your business without any issues, without any financial issues, to run business smoothly, then you need to run the planning. What is the why we need to do the planning, how it will help to the organization. So when it takes every business, there is a expenditure will be there. So what kind of expenditure will be there? Every expenditure. So if you take a one small company, okay, so in a operating expenditure, okay, so if for example not existing business, there is a one. If you want to start a business, what you want, first of all, we need to start a new business. For that, we need to we need a building.
Yeah.
You, as you have a 1 crore or 10 crore, you cannot buy the building, because you don't know whether your expenditure will get, whether your business will get a success or failure. So for that,
Yeah.
what you need, we will take a building for a rent basis. Okay. For that, we need to
Okay.
pay monthly. Initially, first need to pay the rent. Then what else you need? We need electricity. Electricity. Okay. Then what else you need? For that, you need to resources. Why you need? So you are starting a new supermarket. For that, what you need? You need a resources. What kind of resources you need? Around, for example, delivery boys to selling, shopkeepers in the shop also, we need at least 5 to 6 member, or 5, depends on your business size. We need a 10 to 10, 5 to 10 resources, okay, like man, employees. Then what else you need? You need to pay every monthly salaries. Okay. Then canteen expenditure. Okay. Then you need a vehicles. Okay. So then you need to convince. So these are all basic expenditure to start a business. Okay. Then how it will help? So you started a supermarket today. Then what will happen? Until you see, you started a business in Whitefield. Nobody knows that you there is a one new supermarket is started. Then what will happen? Until it gets popular, to know everybody, then you will get your sales will getting increase. Okay, until that, no, nothing will happen. Maybe every day you are opening and closing, maybe you will give some kind of paper ads or pamphlets, publishing pamphlets and all these things, but it will take much time. At least 5 to 6 months it will take. Okay, so until that, what you
Okay.
need to do, you cannot expect any revenue until 6 months. Okay, so whether it is a small or a big or medium, whatever it is, you need to run the business without any revenues. That is a very important thing. Then what will happen? Today you, like, in you started a business on January. Okay, then what will happen? Month is complete month. Then February 1st has came. So then what will happen? Whether you are getting a revenue or not, you need to pay the rent. Okay, nobody will accept. You need to pay the rent, then you need to pay the electricity bill, then you need to pay the salaries for all employees, then canteen
Yeah.
expenditure, then vehicles. So you need to bring the all material to from vendor to vendor to your store, and you need to deliver the goods to the customers and all these things. Then you need to deliver for all these vehicle, then drivers will be there, then salaries will be there, then agents will be there, you need to pay the commission, then conveyance expenditure, all will be you need to pay. For example, this there is a 10 example. Okay, for example, rent is a 10,000, electricity is a 2,000, employee, this is for example 3,000, salaries is 30,000, canteen 5,000, vehicles conveyance 5,000, for example. So monthly, whether you are getting a revenue or not, this 60,000 is a mandatory expenditure. Without this
Yeah.
60,000, you cannot run the business. Okay, so that
Yes.
is what this we can call it as a operating expenditure.
Okay.
So, what is this operating expenditure? To run any kind of business, whether it is a software company, whether it is a car manufacturing company, whether it is a supermarket, whether it could be 100 rupees turnover, it could be 100 crores turnover. Without operating expenditure, you cannot run the business. To run your business very smoothly, we need to do the planning. So, that is why we need to do the planning. Okay, this is the main importance of the planning objective. So, this is called till January. You started business in January. So this
Yeah.
what will happen? Okay. So till 6 months you are not getting any revenue. So this is, for example, your revenue. This is your expenditure. GP, gross profit. So what is happening? Every month.
Every month we need to bear from our pocket.
Exactly. So you cannot expect any revenue. You are not getting any revenue. So this is every month you are getting a loss. Okay. This is we cannot. It kind of loss only. But initially, every business it will happen like this only. Then what will happen after July onwards? You are getting a revenue. Okay. For example,
Yeah.
50 or 1 lakh. So this is your gross profit. Okay, because now you planned everything and you are getting good revenue. During these 6 months, you focused more into uh, publishing, making popularize, getting quality, and giving advertises in different way, planning strategies, putting offers and all these things. Then your revenues is starting from July onwards. So this is always keep on going in that way. So every month you are getting keep on some 1 month in 1 lakh, it could be 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh something. Then you are getting a good revenues and all these things. Okay, so why we need to do so? To run your business very smoothly without any financial issues, then we need to do the planning. So this is how it will help to the organization. Okay, the same way
Yeah.
it is applicable to our personal also. So how it will be? So for example, now we every month we are getting, for example, you or me, for example, I will say I am getting monthly 10,000 salary. So then I need to plan for myself as well to run my family very smoothly, without any financial issues. How it will be? I need to pay every monthly rent. Okay, then what is my next rent? I need to pay rent, electricity, mobile, entertainment. Okay, then petrol, then if there is any commitments of house EMI, then if there is a car EMI and all these things. Okay, then we need to pay conveyance, then we need to pay vegetables. Okay, then we need to pay groceries. So like this I need to plan. So after all these things I am getting, for example, monthly I can able to save 4,000. Okay, so this is also, it is very important. Okay, so then this 4,000 I need to plan for my savings. Then we putting mutual funds or shares or fixed deposit or purchasing commodities and all these things. Then only we can run our individual also. We need to do the planning to get your successful life without any financial issues. Okay, so this is how it
Okay.
will be help to the organization to run your business smoothly. Okay, now when it comes to business, we need to do the planning and consolidation. So this is the main objective of the planning. Okay, then consolidation. So what is the meaning of consolidation? Okay, Tata. Tata is not a company. Tata is a group of company. Okay, because
Yeah.
under Tata group there is a 110 companies are there. Okay, I mean, as this is as per my knowledge, 1 year ago they officially announced that there is a 110 companies under Tata group. Maybe today it may be 120 or 130, it could be happening. Okay, so what are
Yeah.
those things? For example, if you take a Tata Motors, TCS, Tata Chemicals, okay, Tata Tea, okay, Taj Hotels, there is a Tata Salt, Tata uh, Industries,
Watches, Titan.
yeah, yeah, Tata Infrastructure. So like this, there is a so many companies, 110 companies are there. So what we
Yeah.
can call Tata Group is a group of company. In accounting point of view, what we can call this is a parent company. Okay,
Yeah.
this
Tata
is
is the
child.
parent company.
Yeah, so this we can call it as a child company or we can call it as a subsidiaries. Okay,
Yeah.
so this what under this parent company, Tata Motor has, for example, 5% equity on Tata Group level. TCS maybe 5%. Tata Chemical it could be 3%. This Tata Tea 1%. Taj Hotel maybe 7%. Tata Salt like 2%. Tata Industry it could be 10%. Tata Infrastructure again 15%. Okay, like this, all these 110 companies together, Tata Group. So Tata Group is a 100%. Okay, this is how it will calculate, and this is called, we can call it as a Tata group level company structure will be there like this. Okay, then what will happen? Every company will have a main.
Again here, some companies suppose will take Tata Motors. Again, will take as a worldwide is there. Suppose if any company again there in between again branches are there, no, and subsidiary companies again
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
like
no,
that.
no, no, I'm not. I am no, no. I am not telling in any in detail ways. I am telling only over high level how
Yeah.
we can call it as a consolidation. How it is, what is the planning and consolidation? How to the help to the organization this tool. Okay, when it comes to individual like intercompany or ownership manager and all, we will discuss everything, each and everything. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So This is how parent company versus subsidiaries companies will be there. And then uh, okay, so now what will happen, every company has a management will be there. So what management will be, what it will be there, so they, every management has a three levels. What are those three levels? Top management, middle management, and low level management. In top level management, who will be there? CEO, CFO, COO, these people will be there. Okay. Then middle level, who will be there? Director finance, director sales, director marketing, these people will be there. And controller finance, these kind of people will be there. Low level people, manager, store manager, AM, assistant managers, these kind of people will be there in the low level management. So
Yeah.
in the company, whether it is a group of company or individual company, always top level management people only, they will take the decision making. So in every company to run very smoothly, what we need, always they need a decision making, right? So what is the decision
Yeah.
making? This month, this year, we are getting 100 crore turnover, and we got 30 crore net profit. Then what is happening next year? They will put 130 crore or 150 crore is our goal. To reach that, we need to, entire company or all the departments or entire sector, everything should be, we need to reach that goal. Then they will divide it into each region wise, they will put a goals to each individual directors or regional manager and all. So south, north, east, west region, they will give the targets, then they will try to achieve the targets in that way. So then what will happen, 2024, their goal is a 150. Okay. Then they have
Yeah.
to achieve that goal. Then this year, if we get a 100 crores turnover, we got a 30 crore net profit. If it is a 130, 150 crore turnover, then we will get 40 crores net profit. In that way, that kind of calculation will there. So for this
Yeah.
top management people, decision making, to take the decision, what you need always, for CEO, CFO, what we need to take the decision making. That is the important one. So that is called financial reports. See, these top management people, they don't want anything. So they need only financial report. What is that financial report? In entire global, they need only standard financial report, that is called income statement or P&L, income statement or P&L, or revenue statement. This we can call it as one thing. Second one is a balance sheet. Third one is a cash flows. Fourth one is a funds flow. Okay, these are four. We can call it as a financial report. This is the global standards. In entire global, we are following this. Okay, depends on the country. They just 5 to 10% of the standards will change. Okay, so what are those
Yeah.
things? Is a gap. Okay, then it is a gap means generally accepted accounting principles. Okay, that
Yeah.
all US companies, we need to follow the gap standards. Okay, then IFRS, all European countries, it will follow the IFRS standards. Whether it is India, then one need to follow. In India, ICAI. Okay, okay, then Middle East. Okay, then we need to follow the IFRS. So like this, every company, they have to, as per accounting standards, we need to follow the this financial reports for a global reporting point of view. Okay, so in this global reporting and all, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow, all will be there. So this we need to generate, and we need to give it to the top management people. So this is the main agenda, this is the main thing. So what they will do, okay, now again coming back. So now we need to one, now we 2023, so 2023 is completed. So then what you need to do, so then the Ratan Tata, they will ask, so we need a financial report. Then how you will do? Now we have a 110 companies are there. Okay, all
Yeah.
these 100 companies we need to generate a financial report. What are those financial report? Four reports we need to generate. We need to generate all these financial report for each company wise. Each
Yeah.
company wise, we need to generate income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow, like this four. Per we have how many companies we have? 110 companies. How many reports are there? For each company, there is a four. Okay. For
Four
example,
reports.
into 440 financial report we need to generate. This is the one scenario number one. Then what is
Yeah.
another scenario? This we need to generate in local currency, then we need to generate as a common currency. So what is a local currency, what is a common currency? For example, if you take a TCS, for example, TCS is in India. So India, our
Country
India
specific.
currency is a INR, then it is a local currency. But
Yeah.
this TCS, we are doing a business across the global, there is a 40 countries. It means we need to generate, we are doing a business more than apart from the INR, we are generating 39 currencies. It means we need to generate the all financial reports in a 39 currencies. Okay, US, India, Australia, and all. So that we can call it as a common currencies. Okay, so
Okay.
then what happened again? These all TCS we need to generate 39 currencies. It means 40 these four 40 into 40 countries into 4 only for one company TCS. So what will happen?
Yeah.
160. If you take 4 only 100 only TCS, we need to generate a 160 reports we need to generate in 40 currencies.
Yeah.
So like that, all these Tata Motors, Tata Chemical, and also some companies are doing business in only India. Some companies we are doing in more than other countries as well. Then we need to generate all the financial report, local currency, common currency, local currency, common currency. Then we need to generate it. So then if you give more than 500 report, more than 1000 reports and all, if you give the Tata, Ratan Tata, will they see? Really, these people
No.
have a time? No,
Yeah. They will not have.
not at all. Okay. Even though sometimes what will happen? Even though sometimes if you give only one can, even though sometimes you give financial report, financial consolidated report, one income statement, one balance sheet, also they don't have that much time to see the report. Then what will have? We need to give only dashboard. Okay, that is the one thing. Then what will happen? These people that does not have it to see the reports by individual wise. Okay, for that what
Yeah.
we need to do? We need to generate consolidated
Consolidation report.
income statement. Okay, again. Okay. Instead of this 400 report, 500 reports, we can able to generate only four reports. These four only. See, that is why if you observe any uh, uh, like financial report. Okay, so like what you can call, if you purchase any share, definitely in April you will get a financial report like 20 to 30 pages of book will come to your home. Okay, because if you have
Yeah.
one share also, your stakeholder, then you will get you will get that financial book. In that there will 30 to 40 pages will be there. They will give you consolidated income statement, consolidated balance sheet, consolidated cash flow, funds flow. Okay, and there is a lot of schedules will be there, individual schedules will be there, local currency, common currency, net worth, and all details will be there. Okay, in that what they will there, we can call it as a audit report. Okay, financial report and audit report. In that the consolidated level income statement, these will be there. So once it is generated by accounting department and all, then they will send it to the Ratan Tata. Then these people will see the financial report, then they will see the decision making. Okay, so this is the how it will do the consolidation. So for that consolidation report, how for to we need to generate this everything in a lot of sections are there. For that, once it is done, then only we can able to do this consolidation process. Okay, that is how we need to generate. So then now what we are doing? We are doing only financial report. We are consolidating. That what we in like consolidation. There is a two types. What are those two types? First one is a managerial consolidation. Second one is a legal consolidation. What is a managerial consolidation? What is a legal consolidation? When it will do, when it will this do. So managerial consolidation means it does only. Now we discussed about everything. So we are consolidating all individual balance sheet and we will make it as a consolidated balance sheet P and L and all this thing. This we can call it as a managerial consolidation only. Okay, then legal consolidation. What is a legal consolidation? In like 4 to 5 to 6 years back, in entire world there is a very big merging has happening. Okay, acquisition is happening. We can call it as a merging, we can call it as a amalgamation, we can call it as a acquisition, acquire, and all these things we can call it as a terminology. Okay, that what will happen? Microsoft and Nokia. So Microsoft acquired Nokia 90% of the equity. Okay,
Yeah.
so what means, for example, Nokia today, Nokia company value 500 billions. It means Microsoft acquired Nokia. It means how they will calculate 500 into 90% of the equity. It means 450 billions they purchased worth of Nokia. Okay, so but
Yeah.
still Nokia don't want to sell entire stakeholder. Still they want to keep 10% of the equity. Okay, that is 50%. So 50 billions. Okay, this is what happening at the time. What will happen? Already Microsoft has a, for example, 1,000 billions. Nokia has 500 billions, already purchased 450 billions worth staking hold. So then what will happen? Once completed the financial year, Microsoft should show the balance sheet. It has to include these 450 crore,
Yeah.
and we need to submit the balance sheet to the income statement and a register of company affairs. Okay, and Nokia should file the balance sheet only for these balance. What is the balance? 50 crore, 50 billions. For this 50 billions worth only, they need to file that whatever they got the transaction. This is the one thing. In that,
Okay.
these 50 billions, it will belongs to Microsoft. These 50 billions belongs to Nokia. For this 50 billion, they have to show what kind of assets, properties, royalties, goodwill, all these things they have to calculate, and they have to show
No,
them. Okay,
Nokia.
and
Sorry, Nokia will show that one, or
no, that is why I'm
Nokia will
telling
show
you.
no that 50
Yeah, yeah,
billion.
Nokia. See, every year Nokia also submit the balance sheet, all the financial report to the government, and Microsoft also should file the balance sheet to the government, because Microsoft purchased only 90% only.
Yeah.
Okay, then what will happen? Nokia already still keeping 10%. That 10% is a 50 billions. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
See, I'll tell you.
I think
Nokia.
once it's merged, no, that
No,
name, Nokia name, it
no,
will
no, no,
come
no, no.
to this one, MS
No, no,
Office.
no. That is why that is why Nokia today company value is a 500 billions. Okay,
Yeah.
then what happened? It is sold to 90%. Okay, then what happened?
Yes. 450.
90%. This is this is purchased by Microsoft. Still, how much it is? 50 billion worth is there. That is still they want to keep Nokia.
Yeah.
These 50 billions, every year they need to submit the financial reports and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, this is how. And this is the one thing to submit the financial report. Then what you need to submit in the submit the financial report again for this Nokia. We need to generate income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and everything. Okay, for that income statement we need to each and every asset, each and every assets and liabilities, everything we need to calculate 90%, 10%, 90%, 10%. That we need to do calculation each and every asset level. What is the assets and liability, current asset, fixed asset, royalty, patience, goodwill, tangible asset, intangible, all will be there. For that, everything we need to calculate 190% and 10%. Then we need to show them
And
in the
here I
balance
have a
sheet.
question.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Here I have a question because normally
Hmm.
if it's a merger, no, for 50 it will
Yes.
come to this one Microsoft and 50
Hmm.
billions will be there, no? That no, okay,
Ah.
suppose we are in company in Microsoft, we are doing this BPC process.
Hmm.
Now Nokia, because they are using different software, that
Hmm.
now just need to focus on only Microsoft, no? Nokia that will not take. No?
No, see, merging means no need to file anything.
Yeah,
Merging mean this is not a merging acquisition. So what happened, only 90% they acquired completely. So no,
yeah,
it is operating by Microsoft only. That 50% how it will be happen. See, this Nokia also, it means it is not an individual company.
yeah,
Nokia also group of company. Okay, then what will happen, for example, Nokia has a 20 companies or 20 entities. In that they sold around 18 entities. They keep only two
yeah,
entities. That two entities
yeah.
worth of 50 billion. Then what will
50
happen?
billion.
For these two entities only, they will file or they will do the operations, income and expenditure, balance sheet, and all. For these two entities only, it belongs to all, need to generate all the financial report, then submit. These 18 entities completely operated by Microsoft. For them, they need to generate a financial report and submit that.
Yeah, that is good. My question means because Nokia, suppose we
Hmm.
are in Microsoft, we are developing this application. That time
Hmm.
Nokia, just that whatever that for $50 only billions will consider. That 50 it will be
Exactly.
a part of that Nokia company that they will take care. That in
Exactly.
our
Yes.
records will not show anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Because
So
for
this kind
now,
of.
in current
Mhm,
our current organization like Google, what they're doing, no?
mhm,
They're like the same way they merged some companies that will call as
mhm,
a other bets, that because they're
mhm,
showing separately and they're filing separately, but overall if you will come then again they will show as a, in alphabet.
mhm,
Overall if they want to show they will show as alphabet, and separately
mhm.
when Google and they will show Google separate and these bits will be other companies are separate.
Exactly. If you see high
Yeah,
level, that is everything is a Google level only. Yes, parent company.
yeah,
Okay, so that these kind of calculation we need to do each and everything. Okay, we need to calculate everything. Then we need to, so this kind of calculation we can call it as a legal consolidation. Okay, only
yeah.
reporting point of view, in reports only we are doing anything just for only report level we are consolidate everything. That we can call it a managerial consolidation. There is one more scenario also there. Okay, for example, same thing. This, there is a Tata, not Tata. For example, if Spencer. Okay, Spencer business, Spencer doing a business in India.
Yeah.
In India, there is a 100 locations are doing business. Okay, they are
Okay.
not doing business in every India. So then what will happen? Only one currency, that is called INR. Okay,
Yeah.
but all these 100 entities, we need to generate a balance sheet or income statement individually, and we need to generate only one balance sheet, that is called consolidated financial balance sheet. For that, what we can call it as a only managerial consolidation.
Okay.
There is no acquisition, merging, all these things, nothing is there. No need to calculate this ownership equity and all these things. Okay, no need to split into that. So that
And
we can
here,
call it as a one.
consolidation level, managerial and legal consolidation, company will
Hmm.
both will follow or only any one they are following currently?
No, no, anything, only one only will follow. But no, but if it is a legal consolidation, both will come.
Yeah.
Because Managerial means there is no lot of calculation, a very granular level. Okay, if it is a legal
Yeah.
consolidation only, we need to do very granular level. We need to do the calculations and everything. Managerial consolidation
Oh,
by default it will be there.
yeah.
Okay, that is the thing, main thing. Okay,
And legal
so this is,
consultation also they need to set up no in system while configuring.
yeah, we need to set up. Yes. See, for managerial, legal, configuration, everything is the same. But in managerial legal means we need to do some more etc. configuration calculations will be there to submit the files to income statement and register of company affairs.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the
Okay.
difference between managerial and consolidation. So this is the overview of the consolidation and managerial consolidation and legal consolidation. Okay, to achieve this consolidation, what we need to do, there is a lot of activities, lot of dependencies are there. What are the dependencies? First, we need to do intercompany. Okay, then what else? Reclassification. What else? Balance carry forward. Then currency conversion, currency translation. Okay, then ownership manager. Okay, then company intercompany matching, intercompany booking, all we need to do. Okay. Okay, then consolidation decentralized. Okay, then consolidation centralized, then JVA. Okay,
That is
then
JV
balance sheet.
journals, huh?
Yeah, balance sheet balancing. Okay, so there is to get the consolidation, these many all dependencies will be there. What kind of these dependencies? Intercompany elimination, intercompany matching, okay, intercompany booking. So okay, we need to call because yeah, we'll discuss this thing. Then reclassification, then balance carry forward, then currency conversion, currency translation, ownership manager, then consolidation decentralized, then consolidation centralization, then JVA, or we can call it a journal post. Okay, then balance sheet balancing. We need to set up all these things. Once we set up all these things only, we need to run the consolidation process. Then once these, we need to run the proper sequences. Okay, once we run the sequences, it will be all calculations will be happen, then balance sheet will be unbalanced. Then once all, what is the our, as per our accounting act, balance sheet should be always balance only. What is the meaning of balance sheet balanced means? Balance sheet,
Assets and liabilities should
yes,
match.
there is a assets will be there, liabilities will be there. If my assets is 100, liability should be always 100. Okay, if it is a 99, then what will happen? Balance sheet will be unbalanced. As per accounting act, it should be always balance only, otherwise it will not otherwise it is invalid, it will not acceptable, because it should be always comparatively previous year, it should be, for example, last year it is a 100.
Yeah. And all this intercompany reclassification all will be set up in BPC or BW.
No, 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 everything is BPC only.
Okay.
Okay, for example, this is a 2021, this is 2022. Okay, for example, in 2021 we got balance sheet is assets and liability 100 crores. Okay, in 2022, if it is a 220 100 crore, then what will happen? Any idea?
Sorry?
In 2021, we got balance sheet assets and liabilities 100 crore. Okay. In
Yeah.
2022 also 100 crore. Then what will happen?
Then no transaction was happened. Means 2022 will be in starting or
No, no. Balance sheet once it is generated only we need to complete that. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. I will tell you. See, for every company, if it is a if P and L like income statement, you understand right? Income statement, P and L and all.
yeah,
If income statement last year 100 crores, this year 105 crore, no problem. If it is a 98 crore, no problem because this is a revenue and expenditure only. Okay, this is a
yeah,
net change we can call. But when it comes to balance sheet, what will happen if it is a last year, if it is a 100 crores, because this is 100 crore, 2022 it should be 100 or at least 101.
yeah.
It should not happening at any cost 99. 99 crore mean what will happen? You are doing in a wrong direction.
Okay.
This balance sheet values always increase. Okay, this year 100 means 101, 102, 103, 200, 300, 500. Their balance sheet should be always increase only. If it is a 0.1% also decrease means you are doing your company is a going a wrong direction. You are getting loss. It means if you need any loan, if it is 100 rupees or 100 crores, no bank will not give any loan. So that is where balance
Yeah,
sheet should be always increase even single rupee comparatively previous year. That is the logic.
yeah,
Okay. So that we need to follow that as per accounting standards also we need to follow the all thumb rule. Okay, so always increase on if you see if when you compare with any previous year balance sheets and all, any company always increasing like at least 100 rupees, 100,000, 500, 10,000 at least, even though it is a billions turnover company also always increase only. Okay, that is how it will run. That is a thumb rule. Okay, so that is a
yeah,
yeah. Okay, so these are all things we need to configure in BPC. When we need to run in a proper sequence, then it will balance sheet will be executed. Okay, then balance sheets, all the financial reports, they will convert into different kind of report presentation and all these things. Then they will send. Sometimes they don't want to see this financial report also. For example, Ratan Tata is there, so they will send four reports: P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow. Sometimes they don't have that much time to see the report. Then what they will do? Dashboards. Okay. In the dashboard, what they will do? Right? Dashboards and all. So
yeah,
dashboards, charts, KPIs. In KPIs are what will happen? They will put the condition. Okay. If my turnover exceeds 100 billions, it should show green color.
yeah,
If it is a 150 crore, some amber. Okay. If it is a 200 crore, some
right.
this color. Okay, so it depends on this color. They will see the dashboard, they will identify immediately. Okay, now we are in very good position, or we are in bad medium position, or we are in low position, something. So they don't have that much to see the financial report in depth. Okay, that is why we will generate the financial reports and everything. So they will take the decision making immediately. So okay, this is how it will take the help to the organization at a top level management. So in that way, if that is
In
why,
BPC you can create this graphs. Huh?
yeah, we can.
System is
So
available. Huh? In system that's the option.
yeah, available, but not completely like now. That is why now in SAC they given a lot of this kind of feature. Okay, so
Okay.
in BPC we can able to generate in BPC classic embedded everything we can generate all dashboards and all, but there is some limitations. Not much very high level. See, for example. Okay, see, for example, is in SAC we can able to generate this kind of dashboards. Okay, uh, in some more very latest, very sensitive data also. Okay, is a SAC report only. In BPC, maximum we can generate like this only. Okay, now some basic things like performance band, something. Okay, see these kind of things. Okay, some simple dashboards and all. This also pie graphs and all. Okay, there is a limitations are there. As SAC very latest version, they focus more into dashboards and charts and all. Now, if you see that report, see now it is a blue color, orange color, green color. Okay, green color means okay 150 crore turnover exceeded. So all these are in very less only. So they will see the dashboard, they will identify. That is why if you see any big companies and all, when you enter into the top management, like all where there is a big size LCD will be there. They always it is showing that what is the share price, what is the what is the sales report by entity wise, by profit center wise, company wise. To see, they will monitor each and every day. So that is how we will generate these reports. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm stopping here. So we'll continue in the next sessions. I'm just stopping the recording.